doctors from Complete Care Animal Hospital in Mount Vernon, Ohio, and today we're going to talk about how to pill a cat or how to give cats medicine. I feel like this is probably the single most difficult thing that cat owners do for their pets, and so certainly we try to accommodate as much as possible about giving liquid medications when possible, but sometimes pills are just all that we have to offer. So I'm going to give you a couple tips on how to best give that medication and how to make your life easier and your kitty's life easier. So this is Miss London. She's one of my cats, and she's going to demonstrate for us today how it is that we're going to get this medication into her safely and without me getting scratched and without her being angry. With medications and with giving our cats pills, there's a couple tricks that I have learned over the years that have been very valuable, especially if we're giving multiple medications to the same patient at the same time. So we want to try to pill them as least amount of times as possible. That's better for you, that's better for the cat. So one trick I have learned would be to use gelatin capsules. So we can use empty gelatin capsules that are a little bit larger than the medications that we're using to be able to actually put multiple pills into one. These gelatin capsules you can buy over the counter. You can get them at many health food stores. Your veterinarian may have them for you as well. But they come in different sizes from 0 to 4. 0 being the largest, and we have them at our hospital like this so that we can send them home with owners if we need to. This is probably what owners would consider a very large size capsule. And then we have them down to the number 4s, which are a very tiny capsule. So we'll want to try to pick the smallest size capsule that will work for our pet to be able to fit all of their medications into. Some of the medicines that we are giving our animals can be very bitter tasting, and so it may not even be that the size of the medicine is an issue, but that the taste of it is. So some cats will even take a capsule or take their medication in food if we can hide it in a capsule. So that's another trick with a kitty, is sometimes putting the gelatin capsule in a little bit of butter, a little bit of cream cheese, some canned food. If you have a cat that's a really willing eater, sometimes you don't even have to worry about pilling them because they'll take it in something. So if you're going to try that, what I would tell you to do is take an empty gelatin capsule first with nothing in it and put it with a little bit of butter or a little bit of cream cheese. And she's playing with her feeder right now, which is excellent. To put it in a little bit of something to see if that'll work. If they take it up that way, you're home free. You don't even need the rest of this video. You can stop here. But we want to try to work on that. So for London, we've got some medications that we're going to give her: half of a tablet and another half tablet. And that's the thing with many kitties, they're taking small doses already, but we don't want to have to give her 2 separate pills. The other issue with that is these are so tiny that if we don't do a good job with our first time, we may get the pill all yucky and gross, and then that is no fun for anybody. So this is a number 3 size capsule. We're going to open it up and we're going to put our medicines inside there. So these are the medications that this patient's going to take, and then it makes it really nice to just seal it up and boop, it clips in there. So now you can see we've got 2 medications in one that we're going to be able to give our patient. There's multiple sizes of gelatin capsules, and you can certainly purchase them again from health food stores or online, but you'll be able to look and see they all have a number on here. So this one's a size 4. They come in a lot of different sizes. We individually put them in pill vials at our hospital. It just makes things easier. You can see this is a size 0, so obviously a much larger capsule. The other tricks and things that I have would be, I like to use a towel if we have a kitty that likes to use a lot of their feet. And there's no reason you can't pill your pet by yourself. So I've got my medication ready to give, and I'm on the floor because to me, that's often the easiest place in which to give medicine. I will take the kitty and I'll kind of put them here and I back them up so that this way they can't go back anywhere. I've got good control, and then I will kind of use their head and my hands to kind of pick their head up. So I know that sometimes this seems backwards to people, but I'll grab their head right on both sides, and then I can take my hand and pull the mouth down, put the pill in, and just push it. Now again, if we want to make sure she's swallowed, we can just give her a little bit of liquid. We've encouraged her to swallow, and then boom, that's her medicine. So that's an easy way to go. Now I know I'm going to get comments that says, well, that cat just is really good for that. Yeah, she did a good job, but I will tell you, most every single cat that I pill in my career, this is what I'll do because this is easiest for me. Now, let's just say that Miss London was a scratcher or a biter or something like that. So that's why I have this towel here. This makes life easier because I'll make what I lovingly call a kitty burrito. So we'll make London into a little bit of a burrito, and then that way we can corral all those claws. And London is fully locked and loaded. She's not declawed or anything like that. So now I've got her where she can't scratch me or do anything like that. And I'm gonna pick my hand up. I'm a righty, so to me the easiest way is to give the medicine. Pull open the mouth, pop the pill, and I want to put it way back. We're gonna give her a little bit of liquid, which forces her to swallow. Again, she's all done. So this is what's easiest for me. Some people will like to do this on a table, and that's fine too, and whatever works. But then to me, if you're on a table, you lose the ability to kind of put them down here in between your legs and use that, advantageously. They do make little bags that you can put the cats in if you need to, that you can zip them in to, again, control the feet so you can give medications. The other thing you could use if you were afraid to stick your fingers in their mouth is you can use what's called a pill gun, where you put the pill at the end of that. Same thing. You still have to open the mouth. You can kind of use on the gun to pull it open, and then boom, the pill goes as far back as possible. But the reason I love the gelatin capsules is because, again, you can give multiple medications to the same patient with one pill. We're not doing this over and over and over again. Because yes, London was very tolerable of this, but trust me, I have a lot of patients that are not very enthusiastic about taking medications and do a good job. But you can certainly try and see what works there. Have you done this, London? Thank you. Thank you very much for watching our video. Hopefully it's helpful to you and helpful to your cat, because it's just so important that they get the medications that are prescribed to them by their veterinarian, and we want to make that as easy as possible, and we want to make that as calm and relaxing an experience for your pet as we possibly can. So Miss London is always an excellent patient, and we thank you for watching. If this is helpful content to you, please give us a like or hit a subscribe button. We would really appreciate that, and good luck.